Wow.
Ryan, what do you have to say about that?
Well, let's go take a look.
Happy birthday, Ryan. Look at the camera.
I want to know what happened. There's a bunch of flakes of wood everywhere and cardboard. Stuff in there.
It didn't do anything, really.
It looked hella badass though.
Yeah, it looks good. Too much weight on it, I think.
Yeah. Made a loud boom.
Wow.
The smoke we made.
We made.
That I made. You made. So where'd the stump go in there?
It's still in there.
Still
it's
in
just
there.
on its side.
Aww. It didn't do anything, really.
It's just kind of like, oh.
I think the wood was all dog. It's on fire. Happy birthday, buddy.
Exactly.
Hopefully you won't spend 20 more years in prison.
Kevin's either on fire or just smoking a lot.
Alright.
I'm filming Keegan now.
I'm filming you.
They're filming each other.
Zoom in on your face.
You guys be good. See ya. Alright, bye.
See ya.
See you later.
And there it goes.
So, now what are we gonna go shoot?